Hi everyone, today I'm super excited to be showing you this tool. It's called Gamma.ai, and after this you're probably going to get rid of PowerPoint or Google Slides or any other tool that you use. Basically, this tool allows you to create presentations in a very seamless manner. And without further ado, let's get into this demo. So basically, you go into Gamma.app, and here I created a free demo account. Just to show you, with a free account, you'll get 400 credits. And yesterday I generated a sample presentation. It cost me 40 credits, so you can already play around with it quite a bit to see what it's like before you go on to one of the paid plans, which are on a monthly basis. 10 euros per month and you get 10,000 tokens, and if you want to go for the pro version, 25,000 tokens, which gives you quite a bit of room to test different things. So here we've got the menu on the left hand side. Here we have our canvas, and basically what we want to go and do is create a gamma. So gamma is what they call presentations, and here we go into create new. And basically here I have the recent prompt, so I used it yesterday. Basically here you can paste in text. So if you already have an outline, if you already have some notes, or you have some existing content and you want to make it look nice, because what this does, it makes content look really nice. Just paste it in there. If you want to generate a sample presentation from just one prompt, you can do it here. So you're not going to go super into detail here, but just with one prompt, you can generate a whole presentation and you can select the number of slides, or you can import a file or an existing URL. So it can be a web page, it can be a presentation, it can be a file, a PPT file or a PDF file that you already have. But for the purpose of this video, let's generate a presentation with one single prompt. So here we've got different options. So we can actually generate a presentation, we can generate a web page, or we can even generate a PDF document. And here we select the number of cards we want. So let's play around with only 4 cards at the beginning. And you can have up to 10 cards in the free plan, and 15 cards will be for the plus model and 20 cards upwards will be for pro. So here, let's do 4 cards. Here you can select the style. So what Gamma does is essentially it creates different sizes of size depending on the content it's put in there. So for now, let's go with default and let's go with English US. And if you're lacking inspiration, you even have some example prompts right here. So in this case, I want to make a presentation about how chatbots can help e-commerce businesses. Presentation, let's spell correctly, can help e-commerce businesses generate more sales. Right here. So this is a very simple prompt. I wouldn't go super detailed with these prompts, and I wouldn't put an outline in here. You already have the outline option before, but this is just to generate a simple presentation. So let's generate the outline. It's going to create it for us. And here is where the magic starts to happen. This is really cool stuff. So already, here how chatbots drive e-commerce sales, then chatbots, the frontier and customer engagement. It's basically creates the whole outline for me. Then we can select the amount of text we want per card. Brief, medium, or if we want it really detailed. Let's keep it medium for now. And here we can select the images we want. So Gamma is going to put in different images, and we can select where we want these images to come from. So I want AI images, and here let's select the style. Futuristic cyberpunk style with purple as the predominant color. Cool. And here you can select the image model. So there's different image models. Some are reserved to only Pro and Plus. And actually, this is a new one. I didn't see that yesterday. And there's some which I don't actually know. So Imogen, I haven't heard of it. But this one, for example, FluxFast 1.1, I like the Flux model, so let's use that. And afterwards, you can even go into advanced mode if you want to write for businesses. In this case, well, it's going to be for businesses, and you want the tone to be more professional. So here we go. And this is where the magic is going to happen. So we continue, and here we can select a theme. So right now, I like this theme, so let's select it. Since I said I wanted more shades of purple for it to look a little bit more purple, this looks cool, let's go with that. And what you can do is you can also modify that theme afterwards, and you can tweak it so that then you save it as a template and you can add your logo, and then you've got your custom theme for your brand, which is really amazing. And here is where the magic is going to happen. So let's go with generate. And right now, I really like this part. Every time I'm just like, wow. Really cool, right? Just generates the whole presentation. This is really, really good stuff. And here you go. Presentation generated right here. This was quick and easy, you know, only took about 6 minutes. So yeah, 6 minutes of work and you have a whole presentation. Then right here, you can modify the theme, you can share it. And what's cool here is you can share it as a PDF or as a PowerPoint, or even export it as a PNG. You need to get the plus version if you want to remove the made with Gamma logo. But for once, it's the first time I see where sort of, it's not really a watermark, but it's a logo, and it actually looks even nice on the presentation. So in my opinion, this looks really good, and you can play around with different themes. And here you have the present mode. So let's present it. And there you go, how chatbots can drive e-commerce sales. Boom. Then click chatbots, the new frontier in customer engagement. Then you've got some images here which were generated. And here you have the final slide. And what's cool here is you can actually go in and modify these different things. So for example here, if you want to change this text, and this will cost you tokens, obviously, so be mindful of it, especially if you're using the trial version, but say you want to condense this text. Boom, it's going to redo it. Chatbots drive e-commerce sales. There you go. What about if we want to redo this image? I find this image a little bit too bright, so we can actually add notes as well here. But let's see. This image, we can redo it. So we can select one of the images that's generated, or we can regenerate another image. So for example here, we can enhance the prompt. So it's going to enhance the prompt. And let's generate another image again. And what you can do is you can individually modify each piece of the presentation one by one. And here, for example, that looks cool as well. So let's do that. It's got the whole e-commerce interaction aspect. So that's it. You change the image with, just a couple of clicks. So really easy to do. So go ahead, try it out. This tool is one of the rare AI tools that actually blew my mind, because it actually solves such a pain point. I feel like there's a lot of AI tools which are quite gimmicky, but this one actually solves a pain point, and it just makes really amazing looking presentations. So yeah, give it a try. See ya.